What happened to your pacifiers? What? The trash truck took it away? Yeah. Did you take your nap yesterday without any pacifiers? How about when you were sleeping last night? Did you have any? No passies? But did you still sleep well? Are you a big boy now? How big are you?
Growing.
You're growing? Let me see how big you are. Can you stand up tall? Wow! You're so big! What are pacifiers for? They're for sleeping and for babies, right?
Yeah.
So babies can have pacifiers, but Easton's a big boy now, right? Yeah. Are you almost 2 years old? Yes. You're growing up. Can you give yourself a high five? All right. Bye. Oh, another high five? All right.